importante at nakita ko pa ang birthday ng apo ko. Kapo na lang siya sa tuhod. Siyempre, masaya din naman ako kahit.
Magbilis na naman, baby.
Hi, Cadence. Happy birthday. Sana palagi ka lang masaya.
Pero maging masaya siya. Pag napanood niya na mag-enjoy siya na kita niya yung sarili niya.
I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore.
Si Baby Cadence ay love na love nito. Masaya akong kasama siya.
No matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart always.
Baby Cadence, ikaw sana ay maging mabuting bata na pagmahal, lalo na sa Panginoon.
They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. You'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Don't listen to
Hindi ako maka-attend sa birthday mo.
what they know.
So, parang nasa ibang bansa.
Happy first birthday. Love na love namin siya.
Happy birthday, anak. I love you. I miss you.